Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking Samsung dryers. And in the event that your dryer is turning on, but it's not actually rotating and drying your clothes, but you also hear a humming sound, basically like something's jammed, we're gonna go show you what's going on. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers in the laundry room right now. On the left-hand side is our Samsung washing machine. On our right-hand side is our Samsung dryer. In the event that you power up your system, select your cycle, pick and choose your settings, and press start, and nothing happens. However, you hear a buzzing sound that is not substantial, meaning it is not very loud nor obnoxious, and there is no rattling sounds. And then all of a sudden, after maybe 15 to 20 seconds, you smell a burning odor or an odor that is not normal. The absolute most common cause of this is coming from your internal motor. So what we'll do is show you what a motor looks like for this exact system and show you what part is causing it. And here is the exact motor that goes in our dryer, and this portion goes all the way to your fan blades, and this back portion is where your dryer belt connects and your motor spins your belt, as well as the idler pulley and your drum. However, come right down in there. Take a look at this internal portion. You've got a plastic lever or gear, and you've got a plastic circular spring-loaded gear as well. And the way this works, let me get my finger in there. Once you select start or play, the control panel sends the signal to the motor to engage your motor just like that, and it goes away from that internal plastic gear, and from here it begins to spin your motor. And at the end of the cycle, or when your clothes are dry, the spring-loaded gear shoots back like that, and the plastic gear shifts to the side and back in its stationary position. However, the unfortunate thing is that gear in there or lever is plastic. So what I want to do is remove your electrical connection point that already comes bolted onto your motor and show you the broken part. Connecting this electrical connection box to your motor are two T25 bolts. What I'll do is carefully remove those. I'll just carefully remove this plastic box, and on the backhand side, here it is. Take a look at that. That is your plastic gear. And right there, you'll notice a big crack, and the top housing portion that secures that gear in place has broken off. There it is right there. And as you can see, rising up out of the plastic is a support pin that your gear is supposed to slide over and be held in place. And unfortunately, over time, as that spring-loaded gear snaps in and out, it puts pressure on this gear, and sooner or later, unfortunately, your gear will break. In our case, our original one lasted 6 years, so that's not bad. But our motor still worked perfect. However, you can't just buy this electrical box with the gear. You gotta buy the whole motor, which is a bummer. So as you can see, due to the condition of this gear, once your spring-loaded tab engages and your dryer starts and begins spinning the drum to dry your clothes, at the end of the cycle, when that spring-loaded gear snaps back to the idle or stationary position, if it hits this gear a certain way, unfortunately, it will break again because it is plastic, and this gear itself will get lodged in between the plastic gear and the back side or inner portion of your motor. So when it comes time to dry the next load of clothes and you turn on your system and press play, unfortunately this gear will not allow the internal gear to electrically feed forward to engage the motor. So that's it. As you can see, the absolute most common cause of this is a jammed motor. In most cases, unfortunately, your motor is perfectly fine and may even last another 3 to 5 years. But this plastic control box or housing with the plastic gear has caused it to completely malfunction. With that said, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on replacing your old motor with a brand new motor, scrolling above is a video. Definitely check that out. You may find it very helpful. And that's it. Do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.